Hey YouTube, it's your girl Anastasia Wig, and let me back y'all up some. I'm too close, right? So today we have an affordable wig, a little synthetic wig. Y'all know, if you ain't new to this, you true to this, which means you've been here for a while, you know I every once in a while do some synthetic wig reviews. So today we have the Outre lace front in the style Anastasia, however you say it, in the color DRFF Cardinal Red. So this is the wig, and let's try it on, baby. I'm excited because the color is fire. Like the color, which is why I picked this wig. It's like red with like the red streaks with the black. So I picked this wig for the color, legit. So let's see what it's talking about. It is a lace front wig, so it's ear to ear lace, and it says it's pre-plucked lace parting, natural baby hairs, and it has a 5-inch parting space. So honestly, that's really good. I mean, to me. So this is the lace, the part. They said 5 inches. It does look like 5 inches. 2 combs on the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable strap. It doesn't have a lot of lace. It just has the lace right on the edges and the lace on the part, so you don't have to worry about like doing a lot of lace. But it's kind of long. Like, it's fire red. Like, I'm excited. So let's try this wig on. So like I said, it is pre-plucked, supposed to be. The knots are extra black, so I'm gonna take my powder and I'm gonna put the powder on the inside of it just so it'll blend better, because you can't bleach synthetic wigs knots, so you gotta use powder. I don't know why I said that like that. You gotta use powder because you can't bleach the knots. So let's do that. So I'm taking this Morphe palette. This actually is the color I use for some of my bronzer, but it's still kind of light, so I'm gonna use that. And I'm just gonna put it on the lace. And I like to use this because the color is really like really pigmented. It's kind of like dark, but it's not like, it's not too dark to go under the lace. So let's try it on, girl. I'm really nervous. I haven't worn a wig with this much intense color in a long time, boo. The color though, the color is actually fire. Yeah, it's not super long, but it's long enough to be, you know, cute or whatever. Now I'm gonna like pluck the part just a little bit, like not a lot, because I don't want to like make this, I don't want to make this difficult. It's a synthetic wig. You don't gotta do the most. Yeah, I'm about to pluck the parts on and put some powder on it and truly cut the sides off. I'm not adding no baby hair because I never add baby hair to my synthetic wigs, and that's just, get on it, boo. Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had. You were different from the rest, 'cause you didn't hide imperfections from the edge, yeah. Bet you don't even love you half as much as I want to. You're right, yeah. I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block saying where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better. Okay, so that looks better, right? Like, I didn't overdo it, but I just did enough to make it look like, you know, a part. Not nothing crazy. So just to make it like a little flatter at the top, I am taking my Tropical Roots foam, and I'm not using a lot, y'all, literally a small amount. And I'm gonna put it right back in the back part. That's where it's kind of humpy. And just to like make it flat, because mousse makes everything flat. If you have a bristle brush, I prefer to use that because it just works better for me. If you want to blow dry it, it's even better, but I'm not plugging up my blow dryer right now, so Just want it to get flat. And you can tell like they definitely made it a lot flatter already. It is shedding, like not a lot, but it's shedding. Just so y'all know. I'm pinning it back just so I can cut the lace off. I like to do these synthetic wig videos to show y'all like how to put on a wig and go. I'm not finna glue it down with nothing. Because you honestly don't have to do that with synthetic wigs. Of course, if you wanted to like stay down on the sides, you can put like some Got2Be glue spray or something on there. But if you want to do all that, you can go watch any of my other videos where I glue down wigs, and you can do the same steps. I just don't do it to synthetic wigs personally, but that's just my personal choice. You can do whatever you like. Like I said, I have many videos gluing down wigs, glueless methods, and real glue, so just go watch one of those and follow those steps. But for this wig tutorial right here, this is put on and go. And as you can see, like the lace is non-existent, so it's not like you going down the thing. Just put your combs in, which is what I'm doing. Putting my combs in on the sides. That's why they put the combs right on the edges. I'm just gonna put a little powder right here on the front, and that's gonna be it right here, like literally right here on the edge. And really, I don't even need it because it really blends in really well. Oh my god, I didn't know it, baby. So this is the wig, y'all. The color is, I don't love the ends. I feel like the ends look kind of raggedy. They just kind of stiff already, and I don't like that. But of course you can cut it, or you can like roll it up at night or something. But I think the overall style of it is supreme. I'm pretty sure this wig was under $35, but I will put it, you'll know how much it costs, I'll put it in the title. But I'm pretty sure this wig was under $35. So if you want like a cute little look, like a colored look that's like sleek and cute, I would definitely suggest getting this wig. But you know, I don't love the ends. I think the ends look kind of, I mean, they are thick, but they just look kind of like dry already. They can add some oil or something. I don't want to. I feel like sometimes when I add oil to synthetic wigs, it just makes it look shiny. Not moisturized, just shiny. So I'm not gonna do that. But I think for the price and for the like the actual style, it's giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give. So if you like these kinds of wig reviews, which are basically just like show and tell type of wig reviews, it's not like in depth like how to put it on, but it's just showing you the style, showing you the look of synthetic wigs, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I do have an entire playlist of wigs on my channel that I'll link above. You can go look and see if you like some of them. But I will be doing some more of these because I feel like these are like good photo shoot wigs for me. Like for me, I do buy synthetic wigs for like content. I don't really wear them in real life, but I do buy them for content purposes, so I can show y'all, I can show them to y'all. If I'm doing like a photo shoot, I'll have a new look for the photo shoot without buying a whole new like real deal hundreds of dollar wig. So if you like that type of person, you like looking for a wig for the weekend or a wig for the night, I definitely suggest synthetic wigs. You can get away with a good synthetic wig for a day or two now. When y'all come trying to glue them down with real glue and wearing them for weeks, now I don't know about that. But like I said, for the day, for the night, like a quick look, synthetic wigs do me right. And y'all will see this on the gram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see me with this look, baby. Because I will be doing a little, I'm gonna have to do some type of Christmas picture with this wig on. This is giving Christmas time is here. I definitely did this eyeshadow just for this hair because I was like, yeah, I'm about to match this. I'm about to match today. Period. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
I can't pretend I don't need ya. I can't pretend I don't love ya. I can't pretend I don't miss your touch. I want you so much. I can't go cry on your shoulder.